Welcome to the FAIR Lab. We're a diverse group of people studying how the brain works.
We are a blend of engineers, neuroscientists, psychologists, computer scientists, and interesting personalities. My name is Oscar. I'm a biomedical engineer, and Alice is a clinical psychologist. But let people in the lab to speak for themselves about who they are and what they do. Welcome.
Hey, we're the animal division of the FAIR Lab.
We use MRI and cellular level techniques.
We study human, non-human primates, and rodent animal models in our lab.
We study developmental disorders and how the early environment affects neural systems.
I'm Alice again, here with the infant team.
I'm Mark.
What goes on inside of baby's brain?
We can study how functional brain networks develop starting from birth.
And we can also study how the environment and nutrition influences these brain networks.
Hi, we're the clinical team. We are responsible for the FAIR Lab's largest study on neurodevelopment. We do things like recruit and manage our participants. We do autism-specific assessment and neuropsychological testing, operate the MRI, work with the IRB, and basically make sure that we give the highest quality of data to our lab and to outside collaborators.
The computational team bridges the gap between clinical data and data analysis. We're the largest team in the lab, and we develop machine learning algorithms and build user-friendly tools to make reproducible research. Altogether, the goal is to make links between brain circuits and behavior.
Hi, we're the outreach team for the FAIR Lab. We promote diversity through programs like Youth Engaged in Science, which targets middle school, high school, and undergrads, like us, and the OFDIR program, which offers fellowships to postdocs who are interested in working at OHSU.
Like me.
I'm Damien Fair. I'm the PI of the FAIR Neuroimaging Laboratory. We're going to do our routine that we do once a month called Super Monday, where we have one of the members of the lab give a presentation about the work that they're doing in the lab while we all eat some wonderful soup. Whenever we have a new guest that comes to the lab, we always go over who we are and why we're so awesome.
I'm Tori. I'm awesome because I work full-time, I'm in school full-time, and I have 2 kids.
I work on some of the monkey studies here in the lab, and I'm awesome because I used to play rugby.
Last week I was selected as the Educational and Research Committee member in International Behavioral Neuroscience Society.
I'm awesome because I made an avocado pie this weekend.
Very nice. It's another show and tell. To celebrate the diversity and cultural backgrounds that we have here in the lab, we go over something that happened in this day in history.
In 1849, Elizabeth Blackwell was the first woman to be granted a medical degree.
Wow, that's a perfect segue into the word of the day, which is
Diversité.
Link some word to that and take that word in all the different languages that are spoken in the lab.
Diversity in Arabic is tanawu.
Kwan Mugat Sanmay.
In Amharic, the word is liyunat.
Diversidad.